I was targeted to be arrested or shot by coup plotters, says Nigerian Defense Minister Christopher Musa, who was the chief of defense staff during the period when these people wanted to overthrow President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, that was October last year, October 2025, right? Okay, pay attention to this. By the way, this is the late evening of Sunday, the first day of February 2026. Now, I made a video when everybody was saying this is a propaganda, when everybody was saying this is a fake news, when people were, in fact, Christopher Musa's video was used to threaten me. Christopher Musa's video, he went to Chinese television to tell them that there is nothing like coup that happened. His video was used to threaten me. But, you know, it is normal thing now. You know, we don't put ears or pay attention to critics like that who always come to threaten you because of what you say or news you are passing out. Even they themselves don't know the truth. They don't even know whether what you are saying is true. But as far as they hear it from somebody else, they hear it from Christopher Musa. I can remember the guy was telling me that they shut up. Shut up. I called him. I was trying to tell him, don't believe Christopher Musa. I am the one telling you that this coup is real. Because there are some places, some classified information you will get. You know that this is real. That is not rumor. So, a military general cannot be telling you that there is a coup, but this is confidential. They even told us that is the reason why Fear did not allow Tinubu to come out for October parade. That they planned that day to kill Tinubu, to kill so many people. So, the army denied this. Let me tell you, what government wants you to know, that is what they bring out to tell you that this is. That is why journalists in Nigeria must step up their games. They must step up their games. Okay? I think some of them are really trying. I must appreciate platforms like Sahara Reporters. I tell you the truth. Sahara Reporters, Premium Times, I think these were the only two newspapers who did not back down. Even when Christopher Musa came on Chinese television to say that there is no coup. Premium Times, Sahara Reporters were consistently posting. Now, after some time, I released the names of the people, 14 people that they first arrested. Now, they are up to 40. They are up to 40 people they arrested. And the one that makes me laugh is a Nollywood actor that they arrested. I said, maybe these people are just looking for a way to add an Igbo man to this their coup nods or coup. I don't know whether it's a coup propaganda to them, but for us, it is real. We know that it happened. So I said, what has a Nollywood actor to do with the coup plot? Anyway, they named the person who masterminded the coup, or the leader who was leading the coup. They named so many people and so on and so forth. Now, my message to you, people who are watching me right now, is this. If there is something going on in Nigeria, you want the truth, don't go to the government. This will also offend a lot of people. If there is anything you want to know in Nigeria, don't go to the government. Then secondly, if there is anything you want to know the truth about some situations in Nigeria, be careful of your celebrities. Because, you know, if you understand government very well, if you are deeply involved in government, you will understand how government uses celebrities. They use them very well, but it's not their fault. Okay? Every government wishes to use celebrities. Okay? So that they will be able to influence the public easily to make you believe what you want to believe. And another thing is the government principles of distraction. The government also use celebrities to distract the public anytime they want to bring out a law or want to do something funny that the public will react, that will, you know, scatter their government or paint their government dark. You know what they are going to do? They will contract celebrities. I'm telling you what government is deeper than you think. They will contract celebrities. They can just start online ranting. Everybody will focus on them. The government will be doing what they are doing. So the government lied. I was listening to, is it a Professor Dora Quinde? Yes, I think she is. So her interview with Sahara Reporters, then when Yaradua died and Nigeria refused to tell the world that Yaradua, you know, was dead. Everybody, they were hiding it. And Dora Quinde was saying, we lie a lot. We government, we lie a lot. I said, tell them, tell people who don't know. Okay, not we know. Government live on lies. Government cannot function without lies to the people. And it's not their fault. It is the fault of the journalists, the mainstream media in Nigeria. Because if we talk, people won't believe us. They will see us like, is it not these bloggers? Leave them. Leave them. But the mainstream media, who are saddled with the responsibility of finding things before they say they have the capacity, they have the finance to do whatever they want to do. But they are not doing it. They are not doing it. It's unfortunate, though. It's unfortunate. So, Christopher Musa, from today onward, I'm sorry, sir. I respect you so much. I will never believe what you say. Never. I can't believe what you say again now. After confirming the coup plot, we were trying to tell Nigerians to make sure we are not lying to them, to make sure we carry them along to the events happening in Nigeria, only for Christopher Musa to come out to say that there is nothing like coup plot. I said, what is wrong with Christopher Musa again? The man I respect so much. I know why I respect him. Not because there is someone that is perfect. Nobody is perfect, including me. So, him coming out today to say that he was targeted to be shot or arrested, it means the man was brutally lying. He was brutally lying. Christopher Musa was brutally lying. I did not expect this thing from him. No, I didn't expect it from Christopher Musa. I'm so much disappointed. But, you know, at least at the end, we were vindicated. Okay? We were vindicated. Okocha, stop all these things. Musa said it's not true. We have been vindicated now. Okay? You know, I'm laughing not because I am happy laughing. There are some bad things that can cause you to laugh. That is just the reason why you are seeing smiles on my face. It's not because there is something, you know, joyful about this or merry about this. Nothing, absolutely. Nothing. Now, the military said that the wives and children of these coup plotters will be taken care of. Are they going to kill these people? Are they going to kill them? Definitely, I know that they will court-martial them, they will take them to court. A lot of things. It's a treasonable offense, so definitely they will sentence them to life imprisonment or death sentence, depending on who may be able to forgive them and grant them pardon. So that is a part. Now, I know that it's not good to amplify all these things, or it's not good to tie all these things to tribe. And I'm not tying it to any tribe, but I'm trying to talk reality out of issues, and you can't stop me from saying what I want to say. You see, if the masterminds of this failed coup were to be the Igbos, people from the southeast, the story will not be the same. By now, people in Kano, Kaduna, or in Lagos, they could have been beheading them, killing them, doing all those things against them. I am telling you this because I understand the story about the coup that happened before, that Nzogun led. Till today, they used to call it Igbo coup. But that coup was not Igbo coup at all. That coup was not Igbo coup. Now, today, again, something similar happened. And a Fulani man and group of Fulani soldiers wanted to overthrow Tinubu. Why do they want to overthrow him? He's a Muslim man. He's not doing our bindings. He's not supposed to be there. He's not doing something good. We don't think we can remove him by vote. Let us remove him by coup. What else? No, what else? And nobody is talking. And that time, I was literally saying that it is because it is not Igbos. That is why they are hiding it, telling you that there is no coup. That could be truth. That could be true. So, I'm not trying to bring tribal issue here. Don't get it twisted. But I'm just trying to talk about Nigerian system. That if these people were to be Igbos, the story could have even changed. By now, Reno Mokri could have been even attacking P2B, telling P2B that, you see, every slightest mistake they have, they will try to hijack Nigeria. We should not give power to them. We should not do this thing to them. Somebody. And Reno Mokri even forget that Nzogo, who carried out the coup that people are saying Igbo coup, is from the same state with him. Yeah. Nzogo is from Delta State. Reno is from Delta State. They are from the same state. Also with me. They are from the same state. But if you look at what is going on in Nigeria, you better find the truth for yourself, because these people You will never get the truth from them.